Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Ant-Man's helmet from straight ahead. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so let's jump right in. I'm going to start over here. Remember, it's just the front of the helmet, so I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to draw kind of a line down in an angle right here for kind of one area of the eye. Go over here. Very same thing, kind of mirrored on the other side. A big part of a lot of this stuff is that it's going to be mirrored. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you are a Marvel fan, so I can do more Marvel drawings, but you got to let me know through that like. That's really what's going to let me know. Sorry. Okay, we're going to go downward here now. So everything's going to be this kind of mirrored image. Downward like that. Going to go over here on this side, and I'm going to pull out downward as well. Out over here. Over here, and mirror it as well as you can. You don't have to mirror. We're not machines, so it doesn't really matter, you know. You can just kind of do stuff as is, like just get as close as you can. So curve right line right there, curve line right there. We're really, this are just like geometric shapes, right? What we're doing so far. Close this off on this side, over here, connect this on this side. Super simple shapes. Doesn't matter if they're a little bit off. Really doesn't matter. Alrighty. Gonna go right here, and I'm gonna draw a line in the center, kind of connecting them. Line right here in the center. Alright, so over here on these two, to make them look like goggles, I want to have that repeated shape. So I'm gonna draw the same shape on the inside. It's easy, just kind of follow it along. I'll go over here. I go up, pulling in. Over here on this side, curve in, line out over here, down. Okay, so now they kind of more or less look like goggles, right? At least within the context of the whole drawing that's going to happen. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw in general, go to skillshare.com. The link is in the description. I put out stuff like anatomy. I put out stuff like perspective. Whatever it is that you want to learn, you're going to learn it there as far as general drawing, like how to draw anything, right? The core. But these are more for it's kind of very specified things. So I'm going to go downward over here. Downward over here. Right, kind of a line in the armor there, a line in the kind of the helmet. Another line right here, just kind of give it like a little thin, like it's a crack of an opening, right? Out over here, down, over here, down, over here, down, over here, down. Cool, cool, cool. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve for kind of the front of that helmet. Curve down on one end, down on the other end. In a little bit, it's going to pull out a little bit more, and he's got kind of a circular shape at the very, very end over here. So over here, I'm going to draw a circle as well as you can. See, even the one I did isn't like a perfect circle, but as close as you can. And I'm going to pull these lines. I'm going to attach those lines there. Right on. I'm going to go over here from this side, angle down over here, pull line down from that angle. Alright, gonna go over here, stair step it down. So over here I'm gonna go out, down, curve up, out, down, curve in, line, line. Over here on this side, gonna find the side of the head over here. So I'm gonna go over here, down. He's got these large tubes that go around the side of his helmet. Pull down all the way to that bottom area.
Hey, quick break. I wanted to show you this cool popcorn holder I got at the movie theater from Ant-Man's helmet. It's obviously Ant-Man's helmet. And I think it's amazing. And I just kind of splurged on it. But I just wanted to show it to you really quick. And I used to have popcorn in there. Now I got to wash it out. It'll probably just be like a pencil holder or something. But anyways, let's get back to the drawing video.
Yeah. Gonna go over here, do the same thing. This side I'm gonna curve out here, all the way down over here, this area. Right on. Gonna go over here now to the outside as well. Remember, we want the rest of this tube, so I'm gonna go over here. Forgive me if it's complex. You know, stay with me. Curve over here for the side of the head. Curve over here for the side of the head. And now we're gonna have that big tube really bulbous out. Out. Down. Curve in. Gonna go over here now. Out. Let's see. Down. Curve over here. So you got that big old shape on the outside. That's a huge part of his character. Okay? Kind of remember that for kind of identification purposes. Gonna go over here, and he's got a little bit more of a design right there. We're gonna pull down on that side. Over here on this side, pulling down as well. And I'm gonna curve over here for the top of the head. Up, out, down. Kind of those antennas sticking out. Over here, up, out, down for the antennae, or whatever you call it, over there. And now we're gonna have a little bit more of a pattern over here at the top. Curve, up. It's a little notch. Right there. Very Iron Man-like. We're going to add a little bit more to the back of his head, because to be honest, I think he needs a little bit more of the back of the skull there. Now line here, go up to here, this area. Over here, this area. Right there. Cool, cool. Let's go into the general detail. So right here, we're going to draw a little circular line right there. Circular as well. Want to make this a little bit more 3D, so I'm going to draw a line up over here, out, down, go over here, down, curve, and a little notch over there as well. And that's mostly it. Something you can do to kind of make him look more like that is you can kind of maybe make the eyes red, or you can actually do this, draw a slightly thicker line on the outside of the like just the outside line of the whole thing. I do that for a lot of things. If you do like that, you know, sign up for the newsletter. There is a newsletter. Basically, if you download the free ebook, you'll be part of the newsletter. There's a free ebook on how to draw something cute, which is not the topic of this video, but is the topic of several videos. But if you like to learn how to draw cute stuff, there's a free ebook I put together of you know, that whole thing. A lot of that has to do with proportion, and proportions are very, very important. But that is completely free if you sign up below. All right. And I guess you could also, if you would like, you could maybe throw a little bit thicker line in the eyes there, but you don't really need to, honestly. That's good enough for Antman's helmet. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I hope you, I don't know if you saw the movie or not, let me know. That is it. Say hi to me in the comments section. And then the last thing is, do not forget, there are, basically, I put out a coloring book every single week on Amazon. The link is actually the first link in the description. Go take a look at that. Right now it's mostly cat coloring books and sports. Go take a look at it. There's one new one every single week. That's kind of my goal for this year, is to create a new coloring book every single week of the year. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Later.